Okay, the machine is warm. Put in a capsule. Press. It's not coming out.
There are two marks inside, max and max. So the difference is, one, you do it without the spring like this. You can fill it up to the top because there is not going to be much foam and it's not going to eventually float. But you can also fill it to the max bottom one with the spring attached. So I'm gonna attach the spring like this. So this spring is detachable, you can remove it or put it on like a little bush. You'll have it now installed. So we're gonna place it inside, and now you should fill in the milk just to the first mark. Just like that. If it is too cold, you can put it in a glass cup and microwave it. That's also gonna help, but we don't want it that warm, so it's gonna be enough just to warm it up on the machine directly. Then we place it in here. Once we do that, you press the button, then it's gonna turn red, which means it's gonna warm it up. You can see it's stirring it inside, and until it's ready, place the mug here, and we're gonna open this one and place in the pot. I like those pots. It's the cream, it's the caramel cream, creamy. Then close this flat, and you can either press the small espresso or the bigger cup. I'll press this one over here. done. It's turned off and you can remove it. Open up the lid. See, it's nice, warm, with lots of foam. And that's why you should never fill it up till the end or to the upper marker when you have the spring attached. Okay. Lots of foam. I have those little ceramic spoons. I got them from Amazon. Nice. Just kind of stir up. I think it's ready.
This is a nice machine in every other way, but the vibrations make the cups, no matter how big, how small, they slowly slide off and they go onto the floor, the cups break, the coffee spills out all over the place, and I have to keep remembering to slide it back in. If I forget, then I'm toast. I also have to remember to tell all our guests that come in to make coffee that you have to put a barrier around it. It's just a hassle and I forget sometimes. So this is the only thing wrong with it, but it's a big issue and it shouldn't be.
Let's make a cup of espresso. I'm going to pull the tab, insert a capsule, pull down the tab, push the button on the right, which is the larger cup. The water has already been heated in advance. Here is the milk frother, and here are my older machines, which I've had for a while.